let's take a closer look at the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro. Ulefone just dropped its latest rugged phone, the Armor 33 Pro, a 5G beast with something you've probably never seen before, a full-function rear screen. That's right, dual screen toughness at its best, combined with a massive battery, powerful performance, very unique design, and a ton of surprising features for its price. Now let's quickly unbox the Armor 33 Pro and see what comes inside. First, of course, the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro itself. It's a beast of a phone. Then some paperwork like the quick start guide and warranty card, plus a SIM ejector tool. Ulefone also includes a screen protector, which is a nice bonus to keep that display scratch free. Next, you'll find a 66 watts fast charger and a USB-C cable, both rugged and high quality, just like the phone. Well, this is Ulefone Armor Mole holster. It's perfect for clipping the phone onto your belt or backpack, super handy for outdoor work or travel. And now let's take a closer look at the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro. The design looks impressive and rugged, no doubt. But make no mistake, it's definitely on the heavier side, weighing around 783 grams. Still, it's built for extreme environments and outdoor adventures, so that size and weight makes sense. You're getting long-term durability and power in return. On the left side, we have the dual SIM slot. It supports 2 nano SIMs and 1 microSD card for expandable storage. Right next to it is a customizable key that you can set up for quick actions, like launching the flashlight, camera, or push to talk. And then there's the USmart Connector 2.0, a signature Ulefone feature that lets you attach accessories like endoscopes, microscopes, and more. I'll show you how those work on this rugged phone a bit later. Moving to the right side, we've got the volume rockers, a power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor, and even a dedicated camera button, which is super handy when shooting with gloves on or in wet conditions. And yes, thankfully, we still have a 3.5mm headphone jack along with an IR blaster and of course a USB Type-C charging port. The body feels solid and durable thanks to its mix of polycarbonate and aluminum materials. Overall, the Armor 33 Pro not only looks good in the hand, but also feels practical and ready for tough use. Let's kick things off with one of the most unique features of the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro, the dual display setup. On the front, you're getting a massive 6.95-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling and gaming, paired with 240Hz touch sampling for ultra-responsive input. The screen supports multi-touch gestures, and thanks to its 700 nits peak brightness, it stays clear and vivid even under direct sunlight. Whether you're gaming, watching content, or just browsing, this screen delivers a flagship-level visual experience. And of course, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, making it more resistant to scratches and drops. But now let's flip to the back. And here's where things get exciting. The Armor 33 Pro features a 3.4-inch IPS LCD rear screen. And yes, this is the largest functional rear display ever placed on a rugged unibody smartphone. It has a resolution of 412 by 960, a 60Hz refresh rate, and 600 nits brightness, more than enough for clear visibility in bright outdoor conditions. Like the front, it's also protected with Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring it's tough enough for real-world use. Now here's the magic. This isn't just a secondary screen for show. It's a fully functional touchscreen that mirrors everything from the front. So you can browse apps, preview your camera, watch videos, take calls, or even game, all from the rear. It's incredibly useful for vlogging, taking selfies with the powerful rear cameras, or even using it as a discrete screen when the main one's off. Plus, you can toggle between screens instantly, and the UI smartly adapts for each side, giving you a fluid, intelligent dual screen experience. And if you want to personalize it, you can also set always-on clock styles, battery status, animations, or even your logo or favorite quote to show up when idle. This kind of display innovation is something we usually see in concept phones or foldables, but Ulefone has made it real, rugged, and reliable. The Armor 33 Pro comes with a massive 25,500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, and supports 66-watt fast charging to power it up quickly. And get this, it also supports 10-watt wired reverse charging, so you can use it like a power bank to charge other devices, your phone, tablet, drone, or anything else that needs a boost on the go. And here's where things get even cooler. The Ulefone Armor 33 Pro supports a wide range of tools through its U-Smart Connector 2.0. This is dual camera endoscope, a handy tool for mechanics, plumbers, or tech tinkerers. It has front and side cameras so you can see tight or hard to reach spaces clearly, like inside pipes or engines. And this one is digital microscope. This lets you turn your rugged phone into a mini lab, perfect for detailed inspections, education, or even fun macro shots. Just plug and play. Both connect seamlessly to the phone and make it more than just a rugged smartphone. It's practically a mobile workstation. When it comes to performance, the Armor 33 Pro is seriously impressive, especially for a rugged phone. It scored a whopping 680,144, which puts it ahead of many mid-range phones out there. That's thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chipset built on an efficient 4nm process. It's an octa-core CPU clocked up to 2.5 GHz, and it also includes a capable AI processing unit to handle smart features smoothly. You're getting 16 GB of physical RAM, and you can add up 16 GB of virtual RAM, giving you a total of 32 GB if needed. Great for multitasking and keeping apps open in the background. Storage-wise, it comes with a massive 512 GB built-in. And if that's not enough, you can expand it up to 2 TB via microSD card. Take a look at the camera module. Right in the center, there's a speaker, which not only looks cool, but also packs a punch. For photography, you get a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 64 megapixels infrared night vision camera for clear shots in the dark. On the front, there's a 32 megapixels HD selfie camera that supports 1080p video recording, great for crisp selfies and vlogging. Now for the sound enthusiasts, this phone delivers an ultra-loud 118 decibel speaker with a 28mm driver and a 9CT sound cavity, providing rich and powerful audio. Plus, the Infinite Halo 2.0 lighting system syncs with your music or charging status, creating cool ambient light effects, perfect for parties or just stylish visual notifications. I'm recording this video from the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro. From the front camera, FHD 1080p. This is the result you can get from the front camera. It looks pretty nice from the front camera. Nice. Let me show you the running result. It seems pretty good. Let's check it out from the back camera now. Now I'm recording this video from the back camera of Ulefone Armor 33 Pro. This is the result you get from the back camera. This is 4K quality. But it does not show me the FPS. It's just 4K video recording. This is 1x and this is 2x. And then you can zoom till 4x. This is 1x, okay? So there is 0.5x as well. But when I switch to 0.5x, it turns 1080p. Let me show you. This is 0.6x. This is ultra wide angle lens, but this is not 4K. This is 1080p 30 fps. Okay, it's going to rain. I need to find the shelter. And when the lights go out, the 64 megapixel infrared night vision camera kicks in. Whether you're outdoors at night, exploring low light environments, or just want to capture wildlife after dark, this phone lets you record clear night vision videos with surprisingly sharp detail. It's like having a night vision scope in your pocket. Alright guys, if you're interested in this dual screen Armor 33 Pro, I've placed the purchase link with a discount in the description. Go check it out. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a like. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.